In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an animated GIF to Outlook signature. We'll cover two places you might be using Outlook. The goal is simple. Drop a looping, eye-catching GIF into your signature so it appears at the bottom of your emails. Before you begin, have your GIF saved on your computer and try to keep it reasonably small so it loads quickly for your recipients. If you are using Outlook on the web or the new Outlook, start by opening Outlook in your browser. Look toward the top right corner and click the gear shaped settings icon. In the search box that appears, type signature and select email signature. This opens the signature editor where you can build or edit your existing signature text. In the editor's toolbar, click the image icon. Then upload your animated GIF from your computer. Once it appears in the signature box, you can drag the corners to resize it until it fits naturally alongside your name and other details. Keep it subtle. A smaller, lighter GIF looks more professional and is less likely to distract. When you are happy with the placement and size, click Save. That's it. Your animated GIF is now part of your web Outlook signature and will appear in new messages and replies that use that signature. Remember, some email clients may show the first frame only, so pick a GIF that still looks good as a static image. If you are using classic Outlook on Windows, open Outlook and go to File, then Options, then Mail, and click Signatures to open the signature editor. Choose the signature you want to modify, or click New to create one. In the toolbar of the editor, click the image icon. It's usually next to the hyperlink icon. Select your animated GIF file from your computer and click Insert. If the GIF looks too large, right-click it, choose Picture, and go to the Size tab. Adjust the height or width as needed, and make sure Lock Aspect Ratio is checked so the image doesn't get stretched. Aim for a size that complements your text and keeps the email tidy. When it looks right, click OK to save your signature changes. Classic Outlook will now use that signature with your GIF wherever you apply it. A quick best practice. Keep the animation gentle and file size modest to avoid distracting readers or slowing down email loading. That's all you need to add an animated GIF to your Outlook signature in both versions. Thanks for watching.